Hi guys, this is Joe from Techilobang. Today I want to talk about the OPPO Find N2 Flip phone that I have been using for 2 weeks. Let's start with the unboxing. It includes a plastic casing and a charger. It's a 67 watt super volt charger with 3-pin plug configurations. I'll be using the perspective of a consumer with multiple phones using the OPPO Find N2 Flip. The first thing I noticed is that once it is flipped, it doubles the thickness and this will create a bulge on the pens if two phones are put together. However, if you have only one phone, this is really a good size to put into the pocket. Next, many will be interested in the folding line when you flip open the phone. Is it visible? Will it cause a problem in the daily usage? In fact, after a few days, I totally ignored or forgot about the folding line. And for the Find N2 Flip, it does not leave any gap when it is folded. This is a good design to remove the possibilities of dirt or dust getting into it when in the folded position. Let's move on to the front screen. This is in fact one of the selling points of this phone. The Find N2 Flip has a large vertical front-facing screen which is very useful when you want to take a selfie using the rear camera. Let me show you. For example, you can just take a photo like this, you see myself over here, and zoom in, zoom out, and you can actually control all this over here, which I think is quite good because this is exactly what you will normally use if you want to use the main camera. Okay, you can see that certain functions are over here. And next, for example, you want to do a portrait, which is also good because you can see, I don't know whether you can see or not, it blurs out the back of it. As you can see, you can have widgets on the front screen. You can set the cover screen style of the front screen. For example, I'm now setting a rabbit cover style on the phone. When using the Find N2 Flip, you need to take note that it cannot sustain at any angles. According to OPPO, it can only have 3 fixed angles that are stable. By the way, there's another way to activate the front screen to take a picture using the main camera app. Click on this icon and it will activate the front screen. You can use gesture to activate the shutter for photo or video. Another way to take a video is by folding the phone and using it like an old school camcorder. It feels more stable and might even trigger your creativity. Overall, I feel that OPPO can do more with the front screen. For example, provide more widgets for other apps and have a way to enter chat messages. I hope that the future flip phones from OPPO can incorporate water and dust resistance, a bigger front screen, and a better integration of the front screen with the rest of the apps. And that is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this short review and I'll talk to you again. See you. Bye bye.